Hello, good evening, good afternoon, namaste, namaskara, namaskaram, vanakkam. So many languages has different types of namastes, right? Come on, ladies, Wednesday hump day. Just a relaxation afternoon for you guys. The Sari Gallery brings across so many talents on a Wednesday afternoon, Indian time, and Wednesday night, 8 p.m. Sydney time. Come on, ladies, have some fun. Yay, I can see 4. Nice. How was your Wednesday? Do you want to say hello to me, the 4 who are online at the moment? Because I can't make out who is there at the other end. You have to say hello to me. It's nice to connect, right? Say hi. Yay. Thank you, Shaila. Thank you. Thank you, Pratibha. That's nice. Thank you, Shravya. Shravya saying super excited. Obviously, right? I'm excited as well. Thank you. Mala Sharma, thank you so much for joining in. Hello, Shravya. I'm just eagerly waiting. Come on, ladies, how was your Wednesday? Sydney, the same story, but a little bit of progression. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. We look at positive side, isn't it? That's always the main aim. Just be positive. Yeah, being optimistic in life, that's what takes you a long way. And that's what I believe in. Be optimistic, whether it happens or not, just be optimistic. Something will happen. Yay. Thank you, ladies. Come on, ladies. Thank you, Darshana. Thank you. Thank you for joining in. Thank you. Ladies, so many people celebrated birthdays over the last week, and today I've got only one celebrating the birthday. By the way, we will start, right? There are quite a few people and they will join, 8 people. Come on, ladies, they will join in, right? All right, welcome, ladies. Welcome to Wholesome Wednesdays, session number 66. Today, it's all about saris and resin art. And I'm going to touch base on resin art in a short while. But before doing that, let me just thank Soumya, who has added quite a few friends into the Sari Gallery group. And this is a very positive thing to do, and I would encourage all of you to add your friends into the Sari Gallery, right? Sharing is caring, so just share across. This is just a joyful platform, there's nothing, there's no competition, there's nothing, you just learn so many things in the Sari Gallery. I'm sure that's what you ladies do. And it would be great if I could kind of get you all just to do, just one dot point saying, what you have gained from the Sari Gallery. That would be interesting to know as well. So it's nothing but a learning curve, and just to learn about the different weaves from India. That's the main motto. And also to promote saris, to be worn and draped across all the platforms, different countries, different events, just promote that. And that's what this platform is all about. So I would encourage all of you to add your friends to this page, and that would be wonderful. And I would like to see this grow. And also today is a special day, and this is engineers celebrating their Engineers Day, and it is Happy Engineers Day. And I'm so proud because Shravya, who is going to do the resin artwork, is an engineer herself. So what else one could ask for the program, isn't it? Very good example of Shravya doing this. It's just coincidental. I only figured it out last night, and I was just thinking, wow, Shravya is doing this with which is really great. So that's very nice. And that reminds me, it was like 2 years ago when I was in India. I attended it was in Bangalore, a theatrical show which was from a group called Footloose Feathers. And they had organized a theatrical kind of like, program. And I attended that. And guess what? Who I bumped into there, and it was a privilege. And that happens to be Sir M. Vishveshwaraya's grandson. And I was so happy. And I said to my friend, look, I don't mind getting a picture with him. And he was so down to earth. And he himself came and said, yes, I can pose for a picture. And, and you can see that post on my Sari gallery. I've just kind of like, reposted that this evening, so you can just have a look at that, and that's just such an honor, like and on top of that, the National Engineers Day is celebrated mainly as the birth anniversary of Sir M. Vishveshwaraya, and it was just a kind of like just a good kind of to wrap up that day. It was such a nice one, and I just posted it like, on probably, was it last year? No, not last year, the year before, 2019, when I went to, obviously 2020, there was no travel. So that was such an honor. And coming to birthdays, I did mention today's Ramya Abhiram's birthday. Happy birthday, Ramya. Today you are the only one in the gallery celebrating birthday. In case if I have missed any of you ladies, I'm sorry. You can nudge me and you can kind of like, tell me that it's your birthday, because this is what my system picked up. And for all the ladies who celebrated birthday from last Thursday up until yesterday, wishing them again a very, very happy birthday. And I always talk about the national days, right? I'm so excited. Today I've got about 13 or 14 of them. And it's kind of like, a couple of them are kind of like connected to today's scenario, like not exactly like, the current scenario, I would say. I'll just read out a few, which is really kind of like, I was thinking, wow, I never knew that this was being celebrated. The very first one is Happy Felt Hat Day. So, the felt material. So, in honor of asking people to wear hats, which is obviously like a French origin, and like it was like a make a hat day kind of thing, and they used felts, and that is what the significance of Happy Felt Hat Day is. And the next one is the Happy Greenpeace Day. Obviously, like, we see greenery everywhere, right? And that's the utmost kind of like, in the current scenario, which is more about the change in the environment, which is happening naturally. And it's all a big hoo-ha about like, Greenpeace, and that's what Greenpeace Day today is. And the next one is the International Day of Democracy, right? So we are all from a democratic country. So we kind of like, we don't know what the opposite of democracy is, but we still abide by everything. And we continue to do that. So that's an opportunity to celebrate and appreciate our democratic society. So that's what that is. And the next one is the International Dot Day. The dot, the full stop. I did not know, because last week it was the ampersand and today is the dot day. So even if you look at the messages here, it ends with a dot. I'm kind of like, surprised to kind of like see that even the messages here end with a dot. It just flashed there, which is great. And actually Dot Day has got a little story. It seems so there was a little girl, and she was very shy, and she was asked to do a drawing, and she did not know anything about art or like, doing a drawing or anything. And then she just put a little dot on a piece of paper, like, the blank piece of paper, and gave it to the teacher. And the teacher was kind of like surprised, like, she's just put a dot in there, and somehow it became a big thing, and then it's kind of like, started the flow of celebrating the National Dot Day. So that's how the Dot Day has kind of like come across, which is also to encourage the little kids not to lose hopes, and to encourage them to do whatever they are able to do in the form of art. And that's kind of like, a promotional activity. So that's International Dot Day. And the next one is the National Cheese Toast Day. Who doesn't like a cheese toast? Like, sometimes I come in the afternoon, I kind of like, scroll through. If I can't get anything to eat, bread always is there. Not in the fridge, I can always keep in the freezer. So I end up taking a bread and, just toast a little bit, or maybe like, just a cheese toast. So it's a very comfort food. So that's National Cheese Toast Day. The next one is the National Cream de Menthe Day, which is basically a liqueur. De menthe is the mint, and it's kind of like a cool liqueur, which is a sweetened alcoholic beverage, and that's also being celebrated. The next one is, whoever is fond of double cheeseburger, it's the National Double Cheeseburger Day. So celebrate it, ladies, if you're interested in eating a double cheeseburger. The next one is National Linguine Day. Who doesn't like pasta? Linguine is a form of pasta. It's in the shape of a fettuccine, similar to fettuccine. And that day is also being celebrated. Wow, I didn't know. The next one is the National Online Learning Day. This is so appropriate for today's or current scenario, isn't it? Like all the kids, all the students are doing remote learning. So it's kind of like promoting. This was done at that time, but now it's become part and parcel of our life. And online learning is now, it just goes with the students, right? So that's another way to celebrate. And the next one is National School Backpack Awareness Day. So this is basically encouraging the kids to carry the proper backpack, whether it is snugly fitted, weight bearing to the correct posture, to keep up the posture of the back. And that's kind of to promote that. And I think half the population might be going to school and half might be still remote learning. So whatever it is, if you are with the backpack and the kids there, just kind of support them properly so that they are trained to carry the exact amount of weight in a right way. The next one is National Tackle Kids Day, which is basically Kids Cancer Day, which is basically promoting research activities and funding activities for the pediatric cancer kids who are suffering. And this is basically encouraging the general mankind to promote research activities to make sure that the kids are protected. So that's for that one. And the next one is Shout of Dolores. This is basically Mexican Independence Day, which is kind of reenacted, which is Viva Mexico. And the next one, the last one, is it's supposed to be the holiest day in Judaism, and it's called Yom Kippur. It's a lot, isn't it? I had about 14 of them. Wow, that's a lot. And well, I have to tell you all about my sari today. It's been sitting in my wardrobe maybe for almost 5 years, I think. I opened it today. So this is a chiffon georgette, but it's a silk georgette sari, which is very lightweight, very, very lightweight. And it has got shibori, a handcrafted kind of I won't say, it kind of, later on it becomes print actually. It's handcrafted. You can see the holes in the sari if you are able to see the holes in the sari. So what they do is they use the thread to tie around to the sari. They kind of bring it together with the threads. They just knot it and then they do the dyeing. So that's why you get these patterns. And if you're not sure what these patterns are called, these are the shibori patterns. And shibori is a Japanese word. It's originated from Japan. And there are different types of techniques used, like, sometimes wooden planks are used to compress, and sometimes they kind of use geometrical patterns to dye, which is they put it on a cardboard or like a wooden plank, and then they use the thread kind of to wrap it around in different shapes and sizes, and it's more like a geometric pattern, and you get beautiful patterns. And I just love this, and it's called resist dyeing technique, or tie and dye. Naina says yes, it is kind of tie and dye. Tie and dye resist technique is the word used. Tie and dye, it's basically for bandeis. That is what that one is used. So you can clearly see the holes in the sari. So I'm so proud to have this sari, and it was sitting in my wardrobe for almost 5 to 6 years, I think. And I thought, okay, I just wanted to kind of give a little bit of touch to the resin art, which Shravya is going to show us, so because that's so colorful. And I ended up getting the wallpaper back as well to reflect some greenery there for the green Peace Day. So it's a combination of everything. So there you go. And I have a few people who have just joined. I'll just say hello because it just kind of scrolls so quickly. And I just don't want to miss anyone. And even then, saying that, I do miss. Hi, Revati. Thank you for joining in. Hi, Kavita. Hi, Lata. Thank you. Manjula saying, hi, Hima. Great sari. Thank you, Manjula. Naina, thank you for joining in. Naina saying, yeah, tie and dye prints. Yeah, it's similar to that, but a different technique is used, right? All right, I will be bringing Shravya across. While I add her, I've already added her. Shravya, you can accept. Can you accept my request? I can't, because until you accept, the queue won't be cleared. It is still sitting there. So whilst I wait for you, I'll just introduce you, Shravya. Shravya Sagar is the person who would be doing the resin artwork tonight. And this is Wholesome Wednesday session number 66. And Shravya happens to be my relative too. I only figured it out, when I was chatting to her, that she is my relative. Such a small world. So Shravya is currently in Bangalore, and she was raised in KR Nagar, which is in Mysore district, and now she's settled in Hosadurga, which is in, the husband place is in Hosadurga, which is Chitradurga district, but she is in Bangalore at the moment. So as I mentioned, she is an environmental engineer, so it's very nice to have Shravya today to kind of show some appreciation for all the engineers in the group for the National Engineers Day, and it's an honor to have her on a special day as well, so which is really good. So she is a hobby artist and has learned different kinds of art forms with different, it could be painting and other types of craft, which could be crochet, knitting, etc. And her favorite one is this resin art, and she kind of makes some beautiful art pieces. I won't say anything, you have to see what she's going to show us, and it's so beautiful. And Shravya, can you accept my request? I can't add you, Shravya. It's somewhere sitting in your notification folder. Try and see where it is sitting. And she also does beautiful trays, luggage tags, coasters, Um, you name it, like keychains, bookmarks, beautiful, beautiful ones. And they are all, perfect gifts, like, during Christmas and like, any kind of like, for functions or events or anything. It's just, it's so nice. You will kind of like, witness that in a short while. And she has conducted many workshops and art tutorials for both kids and adults. And I can't see your request. Okay, let me see. Can you ask saying I want to come on the frame? Shravya? Yeah, it's come through. And hi, Shravya.
Hi, Auntie.
Hello, hello. Yeah. Can you just lower a little bit? Yeah. No, no, no. A little bit up. So you are cut off. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah.
Can I
Perfect. Perfect.
the screen like this?
Sorry? No, 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 no. The previous one was right. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Let me finish off your introduction.
sure.
So her main aim is to reach out to as many people as possible and encourage them to do any type of art form. It could be painting, it could be resin art, it could be any type. So that's her main aim. And she's very much involved in a little bit of community activity as well. And she loves teaching kids, and her son is a very inspirational person for her, and that's what she keeps going on with her artwork. And let us witness what Shravya has got to offer for us today. Come on, Shravya.
Hi, everyone.
Oh, that's nice.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Namaskara.
I'm Shravya. I'm basically staying in Bangalore. I usually do the many kind of arts, but
Can you come a little bit towards the
yes.
center?
Can you see me now?
Yeah, a little bit more.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
I usually prefer to go with the resin art because it's more flexible.
Uh-huh.
And resin is a flexible material where we can mold into many shapes and many art forms, but we have to do in a mold. We cannot do it in a hand. That's all. Like,
Yeah.
I mean,
And resin is
directly we
actually
cannot
a
mold it
natural
in a-
material.
Yes.
But now, because of the commercial kind of like, happening to the resin part of it, it's more commercialized.
Yeah.
And you have like, the chemical resin, isn't it? It's not the natural resin you use.
Yes, yes, yes. And
Yeah,
that
yeah.
chemical resin is a flammable thing, so we cannot use it in front of everybody, or it should be in a safest place. And we
Uh-huh.
all
Yeah.
need to, ma'am, actually, someone has messaged like you are echoing. It says.
Me?
Yes, yes.
Um, uh, okay, because nobody is home. That's the reason it's echoing. Continue. Can you come a little bit to the center?
Yes.
Yeah. You can move a little bit if you like. Yes.
Yes. And we can do as much as we want. I have created my own art forms using resins. You can do the dining table, side table, stools, clocks, many of the
Wow.
things. But due to some space constraints, I have a few small things to show you all.
Yeah, fair enough. Obviously. So do you do it on a large scale as well, on a commercial scale, like, a large scale, when I
If
mean, like,
the
mentioned about dining tables and side tables and everything?
yes, I does, but I haven't done anything yet. I'm about to do in future.
Okay. Very nice,
I'm
very
planning
nice.
for my
I have
new
seen the
house.
dining tables and side tables and everything. They
Yes,
look
yes.
so amazing. Yeah.
Uh,
Excellent, excellent. And what sari are you wearing, Shravya, today?
I'm
I do
wearing
see a
organza
beautiful
saree.
sari up there.
I'm wearing organza saree, which is lightweight, which have the floral prints on it.
Ah, nice, very nice. Beautiful color combination there.
Thank you so much.
Ah, so what have you got there, Shravya? What do you want to show us?
I firstly I want to show all my products. For each and
Mm-hmm.
everything, I will explain you what is the actual difference between the natural, or the normal clock and the resin clock.
Uh-huh.
And I'll explain
Okay.
you about the materials which I have used, molds,
Yeah.
and different forms of art which I have done. And I'll do the live session as well.
Okay.
Now, firstly, I
And she's very popular with her clock artwork.
yes, yes, mainly clocks.
Mainly clock. Yeah.
Second,
Oh.
ocean themed clock.
Uh-huh.
Can you see now?
Yes, yes.
Yes, this is a
Can you lift a little bit up? Yeah.
ocean
Beautiful,
themed clock.
beautiful. So you kind of like created the design. Can you create any kind of design?
Yes, yes, yes. I can do it.
Ah, okay.
I'll show you. This
So
is
can you
the
kind of like, put like a photo of yours and then
yes,
do the
yes. I'll
clock?
show you. I have done one more for it.
Oh, okay. Just out of curiosity.
Yes, yes.
Wow,
I'll
that's
show you.
very nice.
This is an ocean themed clock. This is the first basic method that we teach when we take up a workshops.
Okay, when you do your workshop, so this
Yes,
is the basic one you
yes.
teach. Or you mean to
Most
say
of
that's a
the
basic one? Okay, for
yeah,
me,
basic
it looks
one.
complicated.
It is actually complicated. Everyone says this is basic, but if you learn this particular clock, then it will be easy for every clock.
Ah,
There
okay.
are many
Or
types of
maybe not every clock, but maybe based on
yeah.
like,
Yes,
resin
this is
art,
a
you
basic,
can
and this
apply that to
variety you
any
can
material,
use
like,
in
any
many.
kind of design.
Yes, yes. That's up to our
Okay.
creativity and imagination. This is mainly
Uh-huh.
of ocean theme, and you can feel the embossed shells, real shells I have placed here,
Ah, okay.
real shells.
Shell. So how big is that? It looks like maybe about 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters, is it?
This one is 1 feet, 1 by 1 feet, 12 inches by
One by one. Okay.
yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Most of the clothes I do 1 by 1 feet only, 12 inches by 12 inches. If they really want to customize, they have to tell me before they place the order.
Order. Yeah.
The
Fair
largest
enough.
one
Fair
I
enough.
have done 4 by 4.
Okay.
Yes,
Oh, that's massive, isn't it? 4 by 4.
yeah, 4 by 4 feet. And coming to the next cloth,
Uh-huh.
this is a Jord method, Dodge or Jord method. Dodge,
What effect?
jo- Dodge method.
Sorry, I
DODGE.
did not catch that.
DODGE.
Oh,
Dodge.
Dodge effect.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
The
So what
way
have you
we
used there?
place
Looks
this,
like some gold.
the way we place these stones, no, pebbles or stones,
Uh-huh.
whatever we keep here, this kind
Uh-huh.
of lines which comes for a clock or any of the wall boards, that will be called as geode or dodge method.
Ah.
This is this
Is it
has
heavy?
yes, this clock is actually heavier than other clocks because this
Other
has
clocks. When you say heavy, how much does that one weigh?
this is almost 1 kg.
Oh, 1 kg is okay. Yeah.
The other
Okay.
one which I showed you right now, it will be around 700 to 750 grams. That's all.
Okay, around a kilo each.
Yes.
Okay.
This is because the MDF which I have done is on 6
Uh-huh.
thickness MDF. That's why it looks
Okay.
heavy. And the stones which we place here and the cuttings, acrylic cuttings which
Yeah.
are placed here, all that comes into a picture when we go into the clock making.
Yeah. Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you.
I like that gold leaf effect. It's very, very beautiful there.
Thank you so much. Coming to your favorite one.
You do have that.
Yes, yes. This is a photo clock.
That's nice. Oh, that's nice. So that's
Whatever
the
the,
family up there. Very
yes,
nice.
yes. Uh, she's from Australia and she has ordered from here to there. I'm sending her
Yeah.
2 clocks. She wanted in a ocean theme.
Ocean theme. That is Neeta, Nikhil, and Naveen there.
Yes, yes,
Hello, Neeta, if you're watching, hi. Your treasured chest will be coming up soon, right?
yes, yes,
Look, Nikhil has grown so much.
yes. And
Very
she
nice,
wanted in
very
a
nice.
ocean theme, so I made it like this.
Ah, okay.
The
Okay.
waves
Very
which
nice, very
created
nice.
here is aqua blue and sky blue waves I have created here, and the sand I
Oh,
have
okay.
made black color, which is to be
Uh-huh.
contrast for the whole clock.
Oh, okay. Very nice, very nice. And just wanting to check,
Huh?
when when you use that base,
Yes.
right? Is it thin or thick?
Which one?
The resin base. Okay, when you start showing us like how you do, then I'll ask you that
This
question.
resin base is 4 mm to 6 mm. It differs. We will get 2 mm, 4 mm, 6 mm, and 8 mm. But I usually prefer to go with 4 mm for these 12 by 12 clock, 12 by 12
Okay,
inches. And when you
okay,
go
okay.
to
So
the
it
heavier one, then we have to use the 6 mm because when the heavy thing comes and the border, everything will, we are going to
everything,
make,
yeah,
right? And it should carry the weight.
weight as well.
Yes.
And one question to ask:
Yes.
what happens if you drop it?
It won't break so easily.
Oh, so
Yes.
it won't break.
Yes.
Oh, oh, that's
Not
interesting.
so easily.
Okay,
It won't break because I do send through courier. Courier people will always throw like anything.
things
Even if we
correct.
even if we write the fragile things, anything, they always say me, it is up to you. Nim risk adu. It's they won't
ಅದ್
put
ಅದ್
that.
ಅದು ಸರಿನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಅಪ್ಪಿ ತಪ್ಪಿ ಮನೇಲಿ
Illa, illa.
ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀರಾ like
It
if it
won't
just falls off,
break. It won't break. It won't break
it won't
easily.
it
Maybe the
okay.
needles and the things might change
Huh.
the shape. Might change the
Okay,
shape. That's all.
that's all. Okay,
Even the sides and everything I'll be covering with the resin. See, that
right.
won't come out like that won't feel the usually the MDF which they use in a photo frame or somewhere, the edges
Yeah,
will not be so clear.
right,
If we can just
right.
pull out, it will come out. But in
Okay.
this one, where I use, I will just give a
Hmm.
finishing with the resin as well. That so that it won't even open up.
Yeah, okay,
Yes,
very nice.
thank you. I'll show you tabletop.
Yeah.
This is the smallest and cutest tabletops. This is a stand where
Oh,
we can place like this.
yeah. Oh, that's so cute.
This is kind
Very
of a
nice.
different ocean theme, voila.
Ah.
I have
Oh,
given
very nice.
aqua blue and pink, baby pink waves here,
Ah,
and
ah.
the red embossed material, embossed stone
Material.
material, and I have painted on it.
Mm,
I have given this
mm.
borders.
Okay. Since how long have you been doing the resin art, Shravya?
From almost past 1 year.
1 year? Oh,
Yes,
okay. So you kind of like developed the interest just in the recent years.
yes, yes.
Lady, she's just all by herself. I was thinking, her husband or someone would help her today. She's just in front of a laptop. Very well done, Shravya. I'm
Thank
impressed.
you. Thank you so much. This is a tray, biggest tray, which we can use to serve the breakfast or cup of
Yeah.
tea
Uh-huh.
or something. This I have placed it on a MDF to make it little thicker than usual.
Tika.
This is a resin material, complete resin material. I have placed it on MDF because it was thin. I could not
Right.
put the resin on it, which would flow out of the mold. So
Oh,
I
that's
have
so
placed,
beautiful.
yeah.
And what are the handles, the hinges? What have you put in?
Yeah, this is also resin wala. Resin on it.
That is also resin.
Yes, I have made all
Okay.
everything is
Actually, it looks
handmade.
it looks really royal if you just put a dash of gold on the top, isn't it?
Yes, I have already have put all these things. Golden, not golden,
Oh, is it gold?
silver
Okay,
foils.
it's
Yes,
kind of like not that clear. So that is gold.
gliding
Oh,
flakes I
so
have put.
beautiful. Uh-huh,
Gliding
uh-huh.
flakes and the crystals over here, purple shade wala. And here in
Yeah,
on the handles also, I have added few crystals. With black, white, and silver colors, I have added.
very nice. And what's the size of the tray? It's a
This
normal
tray is
tray, the regular tray.
16 by 10 inches.
Oh, very nice.
Thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful. And they are all like you can wash, isn't it?
Yes, yes, we can wash, but not on the MDF. We cannot wash the MDF thing. We just
Yeah,
have
yeah.
to
Just
wipe
just
with
on the
a wet
resin you
cloth.
can wash.
Wet
Yeah,
cloth.
yeah.
This is a MDF cutout cloth.
Okay.
These cuttings will
So,
be taken
uh-huh.
and poured those resins. Brown and yellow
Ah,
shade I have added to this tinge.
oh, nice. Very nice.
For the gift purpose,
Oh,
many will order this kind of things. Like clocks,
huh.
normal clocks, you won't get this kind of a texture on the normal clocks. They will place only the glass. But
Yeah.
uh, this pigments are there, no? This will only give you the glass texture, and the upper part we won't close with the glass. This will be the
Okay.
this will act as a clocks.
Ah, okay. Hmm. Very nice.
Few more I want to show you.
Yeah, sure.
This is one of the complete handmade mold I had done very first. This one, tabletop. This is a
Uh-huh.
tabletop, completely
Yeah.
handmade shape. Using glue gun, I have made a mold. I had made
Uh-huh.
mold and poured resin into it. You can
Right.
actually see
Yeah.
the crystals over here. Stone,
Okay. Yeah.
stones, good
Stones. Yeah.
stones, and the base also
Beautiful. I just love
completely
that
handmade.
color.
Thank you.
That aqua color. It's so
Yes,
beautiful. Yeah.
aqua color with a gold tinge.
Hmm. Very nice. Very nice.
I have few coasters with me. Many
Okay.
are sold out.
I've got Manjula Rao saying, can you lift it a little bit up because they are all kind of low? Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. These are the few
Thank you,
coasters.
ladies.
Coasters.
Meena Sundar, thank you very much for joining in. Usha ji, thank you just so much for joining in. Lata Suresh, thank you. Neeta joined in. Hello, Neeta. We saw your item here. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. We'll be coming to you shortly, I think. Usha is saying cute. What else? Sushma is saying a nice Shravya Sagar. Thank you, Sushma. If you want to kind of like
Yes, yes,
higher a little bit, yeah. So what
and
are they?
yes. These are the small coasters. You can keep the
Coasters.
coasters for teacups.
Yeah, yeah.
Teacup coasters. For this, I will make one more thin one coaster, same combination, so that you can even close the mugs, like coffee mugs,
Mug.
so that
Yeah, coffee mug as well. It is a matching set.
yeah, matching sets. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Thank you. And
So when you say you created the mold for the previous one,
yes,
so you can create your own mold and then do it.
we can create, but we have to be very careful while doing the molds, because the molds which we really do, it should have some shapes. The
Okay.
silicone molds which we are using now, that will be having the thin layer in the side edges, right? That we
Yeah.
cannot create using the glue gun. This kind of a
Glue gun.
irregular shape we can do. This kind of a irregular shape we can create in the glue gun, and it will become very thin. When we do, we have to be very careful.
Careful. Okay.
Even when we do the resin art, we just have to be very careful. It should be in a dust-free area.
Yeah.
Once we do, we have
Okay.
to close something on it and keep aside. We should not touch
Yeah.
for 24 hours.
Oh, for 24 hours.
Yes. For one layer, it will take 24 hours. For each cloth, I have made two layers.
Right.
One is with the pigments and one is with the clear resin, transparent resin.
Okay.
That will become
Okay.
a great look.
So what is the purpose of that when you do 2 layers? Like,
It,
does it kind of like,
I'll show
making
you the
it
difference.
look good, or
Yes, yes, of
more
course, it
kind of
looks
like,
very good. See, this is the this cloth has only single layer. This is
single
very
layer?
thin. This is
Yeah.
very thin. And this doesn't have an MDF base.
Okay.
When we go with the second layer, see,
Yeah. So it
uh,
kind
the,
of like becomes.
yeah, it will become a glossy structure, and the
Yeah.
glass frame will only, you can make it with the resin.
Make it there.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's like
Oh,
laminated
that's
kind of a
awesome.
thing.
Yeah. And you had 2 more pieces there which you were showing. You can show
Yes,
those
yes.
ones
This
as
is the
well. Yeah.
silicone mold. I have used silicone mold for this kind of a coaster. See, these kind of a proper edges we cannot do while doing completely handmade molds,
Right.
because we will not
So
be having so
you
much.
mean to say that you have to create one and then do the mold?
No, no, no. This is a ready-made mold which I have taken from the online, and I have
Uh-huh.
created this particular coaster.
Coaster. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is to serve teacups, serving tray, smallest serving tray.
So a small serving tray.
Yes, yes. So
Hmm.
1 cup of a tea you can serve like this,
Yeah.
or while giving
Oh,
the Harishina Kumkuma to ladies.
Kumkuma. Yeah.
Yes.
I think tea would topple over because it just needs a little bit more support.
Yes, one
Yeah.
glass might fix to this, not more than 1 cup.
Yeah. Correct. Correct.
Yes.
No, even one also you have to be so careful in bringing because
Yes,
it's so small.
but this has the edges, so no need to
Ah.
worry about it.
Yeah,
I
but
have
still,
few
like,
small.
when you're walking a few footsteps with the teacup and with a small tray.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
And I have few travel tags, travel kit tags.
Oh, so cute. Very nice.
Use
So
flexible
that's
and
they're the
you
luggage tags.
yes, luggage tags.
Mm.
And these tags you can just tie like this easily.
Yeah.
You can even
Oh,
ask me to add your names. That will be also fine. I have written
fine.
rise and shine. I love to
Yeah.
travel. That kind of a small things
Yeah.
I have done. And these are
Very nice.
bookmarks.
Bookmarks.
Yes,
Hmm.
small bookmarks.
So
With
they
things.
bookmarks, obviously it has to be very thin, right?
Yes, yes, it is thin.
It is thin. Okay.
2 mm thickness is there.
Right.
I'll show you few more feather bookmarks which I have. Feather bookmarks.
Oh.
This
So
is
the whole thing is resin, is it?
yes, resin and the real flowers which are dried. This one.
Oh,
Feather
oh,
pen
that's
bookmark.
awesome. That makes a perfect gift, isn't it?
Yes. For the book lovers, it will be a very perfect gift. This is the
Yeah.
gold glitter
Oh, look
and
at that. That's so fine. Oh, yeah, that's so pretty. Very nice, very nice. And roughly, what's the size of that? Probably about
this has around 12 centimeters. One small
12.
12 centimeters.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. The size of your palm.
Yes.
It won't be 12. Probably it would be like, 6?
10.
No, 12.
Not so
Yeah, you
small.
might be right.
It's not
Yeah,
so small.
yeah.
This is
Very nice. Oh, that's
pigmented
so
with
pretty.
one color and this is
Uh-huh.
gliding flakes, gold gliding flakes.
Yeah. Oh, that's so pretty. I'll be in touch with you when I come to India.
Sure. And this is black color with the gold
Uh-huh.
gliding flakes one.
Oh, that's awesome. Very nice, very nice.
These are few bookmarks, and I have one more small thing is pen, resin
Pen.
pens. Yes, resin pen.
Oh, oh,
You
that's
have
fancy.
you can see this rose gold gliding flakes over here
Yeah.
with the pearl
Uh-huh.
color mixed one, and the
Yeah.
tip. This is a gripper kind of a thing where we can.
Right.
This is one.
So how will you get the thread and all? Like, is it easy to make?
What?
The for the pen, you have to open it, right? You have to have the
No,
thread
this
thing to
doesn't have a
open.
cap and we cannot use it next time. This is use and throw pens.
Oh, use and throw.
Yeah, it
Okay.
looks very fancy, so I have made it.
Oh, okay. So
This
it's
is a
just a use
glitter
and throw
one.
pen.
Yes, glitter one with the
Uh,
floral, real flowers over here. I think you
right,
cannot
right.
see because it's very small flowers.
Small. Oh.
I have few chess lovers resin art form. It's like see the chess fonts.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
I
Okay.
think many
Oh,
are
that's
there.
interesting. Oh,
These are cutest chess pawns. Actually, I don't know the
that's
chess,
very nice.
but still, after
Even
making
I
all
don't know
these
that
things, I want to learn. uh,
you want to learn.
and the opponent's
Yeah.
pawns, white and black
Okay.
ones. I love.
Okay. So have you made the chess board as well?
No. I haven't made, but
You just got the chess,
pawns.
whatever they are called,
Yes,
and you don't have the.
chess board.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Even I don't know chess, so I'm hopeless with that.
And I have made a few pendants.
Oh, pendants.
Yes. We
Oh,
can customize as per your requirement, but
yeah,
it will be a little late because I have to mix the resin very less for this quantity, and I have to make
yeah,
a double coat as well. These are the
yeah.
studs and these are the pendants.
Okay.
This is the small cutest neck piece. Like for kids, they will tie like this.
Yeah.
Few are
Oh,
using it for the golden pendant. They are just attaching this resin with the background. They
with the
can just
background. Okay. Yeah,
remove
yeah.
and keep it aside. They can even use the more
Correct.
colors, right? So they're
Yeah,
using.
yeah.
These are few studs. Stud.
Ah, very nice.
And I have two samples of paperweight.
Okay. Yeah.
This is a real flower
Oh,
paperweight in egg shaped.
yeah.
At the back, you can see the flower
See the, yeah.
things.
Oh, that's awesome. That reminds me, like, in Granny's house, we used
Yes,
to have
yes.
those olden days, the glass ones, it
Involved
reminds me of
was
that.
there.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
And one more paperweight, which I have made in resin and painted it with the gold tinge.
In gold.
Butterfly.
Oh, and the butterfly there. Oh, nice. Actually, resin and gold go together, isn't it?
Uh, no,
Any color resin and a type of, like, any gold on that, that's
yeah,
classic.
it will be very classic. And this is a name board which
Oh,
I have
look at
done for
that. Just
one of
because I
my
mentioned
students.
resin and gold.
Yes, one more. Berry color, they
Oh, yeah.
actually wanted the berry color.
Yeah.
One of my client wanted
Mm.
it in berry color. I have added some crystals, glass pieces over here
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
painted it, and the pebbles over here, and I have painted it. Berry mixed
Oh,
with gold.
that's so beautiful.
Thank you.
It's
And
really,
this
really beautiful.
name will come here. Actually, they haven't decided with the name thing. Once they decide, again I have to keep the name and pour the resin on it. So I haven't unmolded.
So, okay, when they request the name to be done on that, so can you, like, you are doing it after everything is done? You do kind of like, you don't do that when you're pouring the
No,
resin.
no, no. Because the name thing which comes in a acrylic, which will be in a 2 mm or 3 mm. The base which we do really, it should be thick for the nameplates.
Right.
Otherwise, that will mold into the pigments, the name.
Right. Okay.
So once I do the first layer, I will keep the name with the acrylic things. Then I'll pour the second layer so that it will
Second
get,
way. Okay.
and that won't come out so
Okay.
easily. You can even wash that nameplates as well.
Oh, okay. Okay. So will it be having an embossed effect?
Yes, yes, of course.
It will be having an embossed
Yes,
effect.
yes,
Okay.
acrylic nail. And I
Mm.
have small cutest things. Uh, Many of them will buy is keychains.
Oh, yeah.
You have a pearl
That's,
white backside at backside and
yeah.
a tassel over here and a floral things. Real
Yeah.
flowers I have made on the resin.
Okay.
I have few more with
So you can use whatever you want before pouring the resin there.
no, no, no. The second layer which we do while that time I will use the real flower.
You can use whatever you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the acrylic mixed resin
Okay.
painting. This side which you can see many
Uh-huh.
different colors. This is the alcohol ink which I have poured onto the resin. And this
Okay.
side I have made some glitters to attach with it.
To that one.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. At the back,
Very nice.
pearl white. Okay.
Yeah.
This is a transparent
Re-
gliding flakes keychain, silver one. So you can feel the
Nice.
transparency also.
Yeah. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice.
This is one more alcohol ink with the glitter keychain with the tassel.
Mm. Mm.
This is a beautiful keychain where customer wanted to buy the alcohol ink with the gliding flakes, with the tassel and everything. They wanted in a
Everything in there.
same keychain. So this I
Oh,
have done.
that's actually very nice. Beautiful, Shravya.
Thank you so much, Auntie.
So now you're going to show us a little bit of how you do.
Yes, yes. And I have two, three more things.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
This is a fridge magnet. I
Okay.
can even create the names for them, which if they want. These are two fridge magnets.
Mm.
And this is one more gliding flakes keychain.
Keychain, yeah.
Yes, with a transparent tip. We can even
Yeah.
add colors when, but that golden gliding flakes won't be so much attractive. It won't be
Okay.
too bright. So I will add only the transparent resin.
Yeah.
That's all. So shall I move on to the live make of
Yeah.
making the
Yeah. If you
resin?
can show us like what you do, just a tiny bit, so that we can relate to the products and the items, whatever you have done, we'll get a clear picture of how you have done it.
One more thing
That
I
would be
want to
amazing
show.
to
I
what
just
you
missed
do.
it. Can I show it?
Yeah.
This is a mobile stand which I have done.
Oh, oh, okay. Oh, that's nice. So does it have some space for? It's just a stand. You don't have like when you charge and everything.
No, we can
Oh, you
put
can you
in the
can make
stand.
it vertical. You can
Yes.
make it vertical. That's
Yeah.
yeah. Very
I just
nice.
need 2 minutes to get ready for the resin things.
Yeah, sure.
Shall I move on?
Yeah. You get ready in the interim. I'll be just chatting. Not to
Sure,
worry.
sure, sure.
I'll just chat to these people. I have about half a dozen of them. The others disappeared. Come on, ladies, join us in. She's going to show us how she's going to make the resin art. And nobody has mentioned, I asked you all to just mention what you gained from Sari Gallery. Come on, ladies. Half a dozen of y'all are just watching. Just mention in one dot point. I don't want a sentence. Amina Sundar is saying you're am I still echoing, Amina? Because the house is so quiet here. I'm just by myself. And the boys are here, but they are quiet as well. Oh. Ushaji, thank you so much for posting your beautiful pictures of the deity and you singing. And I don't know, I do see the prasadams every single day. And I don't know whether you make them or you get it made, whatever. They are absolutely, I think, looks so yummy. And oh, I would love to eat them. All the prasadams there. Zlatanita. Ooh, come on, ladies. She's going to show us how she's going to do the resin art. Wow. Look at her setup. Anusha is saying, nice, Shravya. Yes, it's so beautiful, isn't it? Sushma saying, nice, Shravya. Yeah, I just loved everything. So beautiful. And especially with a touch of gold is really classic. You're safe, Shravya?
Yes, I'm safe.
Okay. Perhaps maybe it has to go a little bit higher up.
Sorry?
We are not able to see you. Yeah, inna. Yeah, very nice. Hello.
One second. Can you see now?
Yeah, I can see. In yeah, ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೀಗ. Yeah, it's visible.
Yes.
So what are you making?
I'm just weighing my resin, which I really need for this tray. Today I'm going to show the beautiful tray over here. I have painted it in black because the base should be in a black or white, whichever the color we use. I just want my base to be in black just to match with the previous tray.
Tray, okay.
I'll show you.
So tell me what all tools you require.
I just need a weighing machine,
Mm-hmm.
blower.
What is that?
Blower. Heater
Huh?
gun. Few will say heater gun. Few will say blower. This is a resin.
Right.
And a hard
Resin,
one.
okay.
Few pigments.
So they are in different colors, is it?
Yes. Pigments.
Uh-huh.
I'm pouring the resin into.
So you're weighing that.
Yes, I'm weighing.
And are those easily available, Shravya?
No, it's not so easily available material, and in local we cannot choose any of the material over here because it's not so safe, and they won't become so clear like this.
Right. You take your time, don't rush, okay?
Yes.
Do you want to put a towel or something on your sari?
No, I have one apron. That's okay.
Okay. So what are you doing now? You're still weighing. Okay.
Yeah, I'm adding the hardener to it.
Uh-huh. So how much did you weigh?
I have taken 80 grams of resin and 40 grams of hardener to it. 2:1 ratio.
What is it? 40 grams of what?
Hardener.
Hardener. Okay.
Yes. I'm just mixing it. We have to be very careful while mixing because the bubbles will create in the cup. That
Okay.
should not happen.
Uh-huh.
If it has been created, then we have to blow from the air blower. I mean heater gun, so that the bubbles will pop out.
Yeah.
We have to mix this solution till the resin and hardener mix well,
Mm-hmm.
so that it won't looks opaque.
Hmm.
It will become clear when we mix properly.
Okay. And the container, what you have, is it a glass container?
Sorry?
The container, what you have to mix the resin?
Yes, this is a use and throw cup, that's all.
Oh, use and throw cup, okay.
Yes. Now I have mixed it properly. It has become transparent. Now I'll add it to the few colors which I really want for the tray.
Uh-huh. How expensive are they, Shravya?
These are little more expensive. So like for 1 kg, they will charge around 1,500 to 2,000, depending on the brand.
Okay.
I'm adding the black pigment to this resin.
So does that come in powder or liquid?
Both the form will come, but whichever I have taken in the paste form.
Okay.
We even have to mix this pigment one properly, otherwise it looks powdery. While mixing
Right.
it, we have to be very careful.
Okay.
Black color has been properly.
Yeah.
Now,
So you do your art lessons and everything from home, Shravya, or you have like a studio or something?
sorry.
Well, you said that you do art lessons or workshops and everything.
Yes,
Like,
yes.
do you have a studio of your own or you do it from
Not my
home?
own. I usually go out and conduct the workshops. But right
Okay.
now, in this pandemic, we cannot go out. Na? So I do
Out
online.
as well.
I'll
Yeah.
deliver the
Hmm.
product to your doorstep, and I'll conduct the workshop online individually, so that
Right. Right.
everyone can easily access.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now I'm mixing the glitter
Mm-hmm.
with the resin.
The glitter part of it. Okay. So
Everything
you
we need to
basically
mix
have two
with the
there. One
foil.
is with the black and the other one is with the glitter.
Yes, one is with the foil. And
Yeah.
crystals, I have kept it as usual.
Okay.
Why? Because I just need this tray to be black color to match with the
Mm-hmm.
previous tray. And now I'll pour gliding flakes. The light color one, I'm going to pour to the center part of the tray.
Mm-hmm.
See, just creating some lines.
And he's kind of like spread it out.
Yes.
Okay. What if something goes wrong and you want to fix it? Can you fix it?
What?
Say when you're doing something goes wrong and you think, oh, okay, I shouldn't have done it, and you have to take it off. Can you take it off?
No, actually, while if it is wet, then we can take it out.
Uh,
Otherwise, we
Otherwise,
have to close
does
the
it dry
pot.
very quickly?
No, it won't dry so quickly, but the pot life is
Yeah, because you
very
said
short.
you have to leave it for 24 hours.
Yes, yes. But the
Yeah.
only thing is it will set for within 2 hours. But we have to be very careful while doing it because the dust will sit on this particular resin very fast. So, but
Ah,
once we do, we have to just close like this.
close like that. Okay. So you have kept like a carton box or something.
Yes, yes, carton box,
Yeah.
and that fits this tree. Now I have added the gliding flakes thing. Now I want this
Mm-hmm.
glitter to fall on it, and few more.
So you kind of randomly do it.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Resin is a liquid, no, so it won't stick in one place. But while doing it,
Yeah.
if we want that kind of a texture, we have to mix very thick
Mm.
pigments. That
Yeah.
pigments
Yeah.
also won't stay. So in randomly,
Mm.
I'm just doing.
Yeah. Yeah.
At the edge, it won't move on. So I'll
Okay. And what's the white thing, the side and the handle part of it? What is
this is
it?
the MDF tray actually,
Uh-huh.
which I'm using. The cuttings I have taken it from one of my vendor.
Uh-huh.
The ready piece I have taken and see You can
Okay.
just see the resin which is moving together and mixing themselves. I'm not doing
Yeah.
anything, just pouring the resin on it. This side,
Resin there. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, you can just
Yeah.
feel that everything is getting mixed.
Yeah. So what happens if the resin sticks to your hands or something? Can you take it off?
No, we cannot take it so easily, so I have used gloves.
Okay.
All the safety measures should be taken. And even the mask, if we wear, it will be more helpful because for ladies, it will be of more skin allergies due to
Yeah.
smell. And a few resins are there, they are very stinky, and we cannot even sometimes, depending on the resin, that
Uh-huh.
uh, may affect our health as well. While choosing
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
resin, also, it should be,
Like
we
that.
should be very
Okay.
careful.
So
Yeah.
you're adding the black one to
Yes,
fill the
black one.
gap kind of thing.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And it doesn't run away because it looks a little bit runny, but
Yes.
it's
So we have
contained
to
in
be
that little
little
area,
small
right?
amount we have to while pouring we have to be very careful, and
Hmm.
this will go very fast. So I'll put small
Uh-huh.
amount and just spreading it with the sticks.
Yeah. Yeah. Hmm.
See, the glitter is mixing with those resin.
Yeah. Yeah.
And while doing the blower thing also, it will mix.
Yeah. And that's the one which gives that like unique design kind of thing, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
If we pour more amount of resin, then this glitter and the black texture, whatever we give, mix so easily, no? Then the design
Uh-huh.
will
Right, right. So you have taken the right amount of resin for the previous one. What happens if you have the resin in excess? You store it?
no, we cannot store. We have to mold it with the different items like keychain or feather mold, that kind of a
Oh,
things
so
we can do.
that's when
So
you
that,
end up making like bookmarks or
yes, yes,
keychains or things
bookmarks,
like that.
yes, travel bags, that
Uh, yeah, that's a clever way to do that.
we cannot waste because it's very costly, and
Expensive, yeah.
it's
Hmm.
expensive. And why we
True,
have
true.
to waste something very,
Correct, correct. Yeah. But when you say that you have to use all of it, it has to be at the same time, right?
yes, yes.
You can't kind of like keep it and then come back and then do
No,
it.
no,
You
it will
have to
become hard when it is in the plastic
hard.
material.
Yeah,
That will become
yeah, yeah,
hard. And if we pour the hardener more amount, then it will become
yeah.
very flammable, no?
Hmm.
The
Hmm.
resin will become like a stone.
So yeah, yeah, got you.
See, very slowly I'm mixing because the
You
lines
don't
will
want that to overflow.
yes,
Yeah.
overflow, as well as these lines will vanish once I pour
Hmm.
more amount of
Yeah.
resin. We have to be very careful.
Careful. Yeah.
Whatever the uh, base which we are going to do, we are going to put the primer in that shade.
Right, right. I have seen a few videos where they use like, stove and everything, like yeah, they heat it up and then do. So what is that type of resin?
Slow and heat it up.
No, they put it on the stove actually. They use like a stove to heat it up.
Okay, okay. That I will do. I'll show you. While doing it in the blower gun, if the bubbles which we while mixing, I told you, no, like bubbles will create if we make it very fast. while
Right.
mixing the resin. That bubbles
Uh-huh.
will pop out when we blow into the heater gun.
Oh, okay, okay.
I'm clearing all the edges to be
Mm.
filled with resin because this is more of irregular shape.
Mm.
I don't want anywhere to be empty.
Yeah. So this is the first layer you have done, and you will leave this for 24 hours.
Yes, I'll leave this for
And then
24
you
hours.
do the same thing for the second layer.
No, no, not the same thing. I'll do the transparent color. I mean,
Oh, you
the
do the,
plain
okay,
resin.
okay. You do the
I'll say.
transparent color. So in which case you literally just pour it, right?
Yes, just pouring the.
Yeah.
Now, almost all the design I have created. Now I'm going to
Uh-huh.
blow through heater gun.
The glitter and everything. Okay.
No, not glitter and everything. This one, heater gun I'm using just to pop out the bubbles.
Okay.
This will, the fire will come from here.
Uh-huh.
So the pop out will be like that.
Okay.
I think you cannot notice the small pop outs.
Right, right. No, no, no. We can watch it. That's, yeah. So what's the purpose of this heat?
The bubbles pop out, that's all.
Okay.
This is the main thing which we face in resin art, where the bubbles becomes a whole kind of a texture when it gets dry.
Right.
So we just pop out the things. See here, I had poured glitter resin, but when I
Uh-huh.
poured the black color, it got
Yeah.
mixed. So I'm just
Mixed.
adjusting
Okay.
it.
So you're just kind of like setting it right.
Yes. This is what the tray which I made right now. I'm just closing
Hmm.
this because the dust might sit and vanish
Yeah.
this.
A perfect advertisement for a pan. I've never heard of that company. Oh, it's Bergner. Like that's the German make, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, I think so.
Now I
Or
have
French make.
leftover resin.
Uh-huh.
Sorry, I forgot to add crystals.
Crystals?
Yes.
Yeah, you showed me something.
Yes.
Yeah. So when do you add that?
At last.
At last. Okay, okay. That's good.
I'll just remove my gloves so that I can add. See, I have
You just
glitters.
sprinkle it.
Yes. Small amount I'm just adding
Yeah.
at the corner and few in the middle.
Uh-huh.
And few in the line.
Lovely, Shravya. So neat and tidy.
Any shape we can give.
Mm.
So I'm just giving some curved shape over here.
Mm.
That's all. This much is enough so that this glossy texture will be seen.
Mm.
Otherwise, it will be very messy. So I'm just closing
Yeah.
it now. Can I
So
go?
you just close that and leave it for 24 hours, which is you're going to open it tomorrow.
Yes, yes, tomorrow.
Tomorrow night, and then you kind of like fill it with the plain resin, like the
Yes.
transparent resin.
See, I have leftover those pigments, right? I
Yeah.
can do
So
2
you
to
just
3
pour it off.
coats. Yes, I can just
Yeah.
pour it off with the glitter. I want
Yeah.
these glitters to be placed because plain
Yeah.
resin, no?
Correct. Correct.
I use these silicone molds.
Okay. That's very clever. So the silicone molds are easily available there in India?
Yes, it's available in
Yeah.
Amazon and
Uh-huh.
Flipkart as well. We can even buy
Okay.
through Instagram.
Uh-huh.
I think you can see now. Right?
Such fine work. It only needs a tiny bit, isn't it? Huh. I was thinking it needs a lot.
Now I'm adding into, yes.
Not bad. Like, you could do at least like maybe half a dozen of keychains.
Yes.
You've got so much left over there.
We cannot do it exactly because the thing which we create
Uh-huh.
that depends on the thickness, no? So
Okay. Hmm.
we can't measure exactly. So we can do
Hmm.
these kind of small things and thickness, right?
Yeah.
Again, on top of this, I'm just blowing it with a hot gun.
So you're basically evening it out and taking out all the bubbles in there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Even for this, I have to close with something. I'm just
Uh-huh.
tilting the plate over.
Okay. Okay.
That's all.
Well done. Well done. Thank your husband for taking the video.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
It won't be so
Thank you,
clear in the
Shravya,
laptop.
for showing all of that.
Yes, thank you so much for you as well for making me so much resin art forms. And many those who want to learn, they can also attend my workshops. All the
Yeah.
materials will be
Yeah.
delivered to their doorstep itself. And for
Uh-huh.
kids, we cannot do all these sessions because these should be very careful. Kids
Correct.
should be very
Correct.
careful.
It should be under administration, like supervision,
Yes,
right?
with the
Someone
parents.
has to be there to do all
Yes,
of that. Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
I will take care, but only if they are above age of 10.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah.
so that
Excellent.
they can understand.
Yeah. Excellent. Excellent. Thank you,
Thank you,
Shravya.
Auntie.
Do you have to say anything else, or
Yes,
are
I
we
just
ready
would
to wrap
have
it up?
one more surprise.
One more surprise?
Yes,
Oh.
that's even more surprise for you as well. I just
Oh,
want to
okay.
release the logo of my brand.
A logo of your brand.
Yes,
Wow.
I have already uploaded, but I haven't released anywhere. But this is my art logo, Twinkle Arts by Shravya.
What is it called? Sorry.
Twinkle Arts by Shravya.
Okay, Twinkle Art by Shravya. Okay,
Yes,
because it's mirror image, it's kind of like, turned around. I couldn't make it
yes,
out. Yeah,
yes. I think
yeah,
you can
very
see.
nice. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Twinkle Art by Shravya. Oh, that's nice.
Yes,
So that's what you're going to name your.
clock.
So you've already got the name, but you're just releasing the logo now.
Yes, yes. From past
Oh,
2 years, I
did you
had this
create the
name.
logo?
Yes, I have created the logo.
Oh, that's so sweet. Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you so much. And I wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much, Auntie. Thank you so much for
Yeah,
the
pleasure, Ma.
opportunity.
Thank you.
I'm so blessed to have this in group, and
Yeah,
this is my first ever live session, which I have
yeah.
done with so
We
many
can't see
members.
you. I can only see your logo.
Yes, I can just share.
Yeah.
All these are my happiness. Art is my happiness.
Yeah,
So that this session will be more memorable for me because this is my first live session. And
person.
thank you for giving me such opportunity with these members and
Pleasure.
all
It's
the
a
ladies.
pleasure. See, this platform, it's basically to encourage,
Yes,
young talents like you who
thank you.
wouldn't have got the opportunity or anything. And, it's just a platform,
Yes,
for you to be more confident and, keep growing.
sure,
So
sure.
I wish you all the very best.
Yes, thank you so
And
much.
thank you again for joining us
Mm,
at the live session and showing us all the nitty gritty of the resin art.
thank
I'm
you.
so, so impressed.
Thank you so much, Auntie.
All
And
right.
thank you all the
All right,
lovely ladies.
ladies. Hmm?
Thank you all the
What's that?
lovely ladies who are there in the group. You can also watch and join my sessions and enjoy the
Yeah.
forms.
Yeah. Yeah. Ladies, if anyone is interested, send a message via Messenger. She would be
Yes,
happy to entertain you all. So that's what it would be. And wishing Shravya all the very best for her future. And both of us, Hema and Shravya, will be signing off. And
yes,
before we go, watch out for the next week's session. It will be announced on Sunday. So stay tuned and we will be in touch with you. Not we, I will be in
yes,
touch with
yes,
you and Shravya will be in touch. So what you do, Shravya, next time when you do your artwork again,
yes.
so just take a picture, pose with the sari and post it in the group so that,
Sure, sure.
people can kind of like, associate, you with your resin art and then the sari.
Yes, yes, sure. I'll
Yeah.
post. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
All right, Ma. Thank you so much.
Bye, bye. Take
Bye
care.
for now, ladies.
Bye,
Good
take care.
night. Bye.